Almost got it.
Anna, he's coming down.
Why are you falling on me?
Because the room just exploded.
Stay behind me, Tom. Please, intercom, wake up.
Welcome to New York.
Stay close, everyone. Even the statue is a soccer fan. That foam finger is bigger than our car.
This place is like a giant TV! A giant TV with traffic.
Next stop, Liberty Stadium. I can already hear the fans.
Here, we stand in line.
That means wait your turn.
I just want to see first. No, Tom, wait your turn.
See? Everyone waits.
Okay, I can wait like a pro. Do you think we will see real players?
Maybe if you stop bouncing. That stadium is huge.
Big game, big place.
Security check first.
And we stand in line. This line is long. Long, but polite.
Look, the team bus.
No way! Woo!
It is so loud!
Yeah, go team!
Woo! Why are they wearing masks?
They're staying focused.
They look so serious.
Serious and super cool. Congratulations! Your family won the VIP Sky Suite prize. Are you serious?
We are going up forever. Don't lick the glass.
This is fancy.
I feel fancy too. We can see everything from here. This is the best seat in the world. Is that the famous ball?
Yes.
The superstar ball.
It has all the big signatures.
I'm standing near history.
We'll get hot dogs and drinks.
Bring extra ketchup.
Rule 1. Lock the door.
Lock the door.
Rule 2, stay inside.
No hallway adventures.
Rule 3. Use the intercom.
Call security, not be heroes. Door locked. VIP guards on duty.
This costume is too hot! Stop flapping your wings.
The ball is in there. And the door is locked.
Then we go from above. I hate that idea.
Do you hear something? Maybe it's the crowd. That is not the crowd. That's a foot. Intercom, come on! Why is it sleeping? It's restarting. That is bad timing. We protect the ball and wait for the intercom.
Brain defense again.
Scarf trap ready. Safe, soft, and sneaky. Foam fingers here. Horns there.
Quiet as a feather. You're a giant bird. What's this?
A scarf with purpose.
Why is the room cheering?
I can't see through this. That is kind of the point.
I'm coming to save you. Please don't.
Popcorn zone ready! Snack trap is live. A little soda. That is sticky science.
Perfect landing! Do not step there.
I'm flying sideways. Ah! Eagle on ice. Cold, cold, cold!
Cooler defense worked.
Enough games.
And enough popcorn.
I have the ball. Stay behind me. Still no light. Still no help.
Give us the ball.
No! Anna, look down. Press it. Press it. Surprise!
Not again.
I can't move. I look festive.
It's back. Call now.
Security, VIP room 7, we need help.
Stay inside. We're coming.
The kids! Room 7, hurry!
Open the line. My children are inside.
Tom, Anna, are you okay?
We stayed inside.
You two are done. Can someone remove the ribbon?
You scared me.
We used the intercom when it worked.
You followed every rule.
Even when it was hard.
Is everyone safe here? We heard the alarm.
You're Mateo.
And you protected the ball.
Great ball protection, little man.
Thank you, sir.
Perfect teamwork.
We had a plan. This room looks like a celebration storm.
It kinda was.
The superstar ball is safe.
Please lock that case twice.
Back where it belongs.
Safe and shiny.
I hate soccer.
I hate snacks now.
Food survived too. Best hot dog after a rescue.
The game is starting.
Everyone sit safely this time.
Mateo called me Little Man, and Julian gave me a high five.
New rule, stand in line.
Good one to remember.
Wait your turn. That is how big events stay calm.
The best thing you did was stay inside.
And call adults. I wanted to run once.
But you made the safer choice.
This is the wildest day ever.
And the match has not even started.
Listen to that.
I still love soccer. Just not ceiling thieves.
They are growing up.
With a lot of popcorn on the floor.
Now this is just for cheering. Good, no more foam attack.
The view is amazing.
And we stay right here.
This hot dog tastes like victory.
And a little like ketchup.
Good fans stand in line and stay safe.
And smart kids call for help.